much time are you investing in networking? If you're a busy executive, most likely not enough. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Like my friend Alessandro says, work is important, network is fundamental. The message I want to give you is that you should invest time in internal and external networking. Now, the internal networking involves nurturing relationships over time. Not just go to the people when you need them, make sure that you keep in touch. Sometimes you go for coffee, for a drink, for lunch, to keep in touch with your colleagues. Other things that you can do, of course, is to look for opportunity to make presentation to senior management or to send some report to senior management. Something else that you also find valuable is to join cross-functional team initiatives that gives you the opportunity to meet colleagues across a broader spectrum of people. Something that most of the people are not doing enough is the external networking. We know that most of us are unlikely to work with the same company throughout our career. So do make sure that you also keep an element of external networking throughout your career. This may involve having a group of people that have the same job. On my side, I've been the chairman of a procurement director association for 14 years, and this gave me the opportunity to build a close network with friends that helped me to enrich my professional capability and also to build a solid network outside. Another things that you may find useful is to talk at conferences or at alumni events or to other type of groups. It is also important to stay in touch with your former colleagues, either because they left or because you left. For instance, when I left Novartis, one of the things I did for a period of 5 years is I created a distribution list with former colleagues at Novartis and P&G, and every Friday I will be sending a short message. On Friday evening it was called It's Friday. Usually it was a joke or something similar, but it was a way to continue to stay connected with people with whom I enjoyed working in the past. And I want to share one last example that was given to me by former colleagues at P&G, now a C-level executives. One of the things he did throughout his career is whenever he got promoted, he changed the job, or there was something important happening with his career, he sent a message to all his previous boss to inform them about this change and to thank them for how they helped him to reach those kind of levels. Do make sure that you do internal and external networking throughout your career. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.